roasted corn on the cob goes wonderful with just about any meal. There's times when we don't want to do it. It might be 110 outside in my backyard in the summertime. You may have snow, rain. Just aren't going to go out there and start that grill. No need. You got your trusty air fryer. Remove the husks and the silk. Wash and dry your ears. I'm doing 4 today. I don't need 4, I just need 2. But tomorrow, I'll just put 1 in a little plastic bag and heat it in my microwave, and ooh, it's dandy. So the corn's dry. Put your fingers in a little bit of oil. Today I'm using canola oil. Any of the oils are going to work. Lay it in your air fryer basket. We're going to put it on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there'll be a new recipe or a tip, or sometimes both, to help you lower that sodium. My air fryer will probably do 5, maybe 6. If you need more than what will fit in your air fryer, do 2 or 3 batches. When they're done, put all the corn together in a big bowl. Heat it in your microwave. The roasting brings out so much flavor in the corn. Today my corn took 11 minutes to cook. Anytime we can have that much food for either 1 milligram sodium or no sodium, depending on what site you look at, then that really helps to keep the daily consumption down. It's hard to find good corn when it's not in season. I'm going to show you this because I buy my corn at Costco in this little package. They have it pretty much all year round. I've seen it in my grocery stores. They usually just have 4 ears to a package. This one's got 8. Check your produce department in the section that's got cold items. You just might find it. With our handy dandy little air fryer, we can have roasted corn on the cob any time of the year.